All rise. Judge of the B Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1039, Sutton case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, Ms. Sultan, you're back. And I see that you got, well, dad or potential father served. What's your name, sir?
My name is Stephen Pippin.
Mr. Pippin. Okay, you understand why you are here today, right?
Yeah, unfortunately.
Okay, you know I ordered you to have DNA testing done a month ago.
Yes.
And so we can determine child support, what it's going to be in this case. And I don't have anything from the testing center.
Get ready, because this courtroom drama starts off on the wrong foot and only gets worse from there. Today's case centers on a young mother looking for answers and accountability, and a man who's done everything he can to avoid both. Stephen Pittman, who may or may not be the baby's father, walks into court with nothing to show for himself. No documents, no test results, no explanation. Just empty hands and excuses. Meanwhile, the mother is standing tall, ready to fight for her 5-month-old child and the support they deserve. But here's where things really get shady. Stephen had a decent job, pulling in around $63,000 a year. Then, like clockwork, he quit, right after the baby was born. No warning, no plan, just...
Because I didn't take it. I mean, I don't know what she's talking about.
So I order you to do something. This is not about her right now. I order you to do something and you just decide on your own, I'm not going to do it?
Yeah, I mean, I don't think I'm the father, so I don't have to take the DNA test.
Well, if you don't think you're the father, wouldn't it make sense to go ahead and take the DNA test?
Yeah, but I mean, it's all this long process. I'm a busy man. I got a lot of stuff on my plate right now, so I don't have time to sit back and
Well,
just
how
take it.
busy are you? What do you do?
I'm a waiter.
Oh.
And I'm a full-time student.
Oh, okay.
So I don't have time for the games and all this testing, DNA testing, all that. I don't have time for it.
All right, so you work every day as a waiter?
Yes.
Did you bring anything today to show that you're waiting tables? Any type of financial information?
I ain't bring that.
Oh, so you didn't care about that either. So did you bring anything to show that you're enrolled as a full-time student?
Nah, I ain't bring none of that.
So you just came to court unprepared today and you just think I should go along with that, right?
If that's what you want to call unprepared, yeah.
When did you start working as a waiter?
About 4 months ago.
What did you do 4 months ago?
I had a full-time job working as a consultant.
All right. How much money were you making?
$63,000.
Hold on. How did you say your baby was?
5 months.
5 months. And you just stopped working there 4 months ago?
Yeah, they had some layoffs, and I kind of thought that they were going to start laying some people off, so I decided to go ahead and quit.
So you quit?
Mm-hmm.
You didn't quit because you figured she was probably going to put you on child support?
Nah.
Stephen just dropped a bombshell. He flat out admitted he never took the court-ordered DNA test. And in family court, that's not just a small oversight. That's a game changer. Here's the thing, ignoring a DNA order doesn't make the issue disappear. If anything, it makes things worse. When someone refuses to cooperate, the judge has every right to name them the legal father by default. No.
Sure about that? Because it's mighty funny that this child is 5 months old and you just stopped working that job 4 months ago. How much money were you making?
$63,000.
$63,000 a year? And you're making how much as a waiter?
I did it because I'm a student, so I probably make around $15 an hour.
Oh, no, you came here to waste my time. You obviously came here to waste my time today. I am not going to place you on child support for $15 an hour, and you just start working a job paying you $63,000 a year. You see how crazy that sounds?
I mean, I think it's crazy that you using my $63,000 income. I don't even work there no more.
You don't have to work there, but it sounds like you intentionally stopped working there because you thought she was going to put you on child support.
No.
So you just disappeared on her?
Because I'm not the father. Like, I don't even know. Like, I'm at work.
But we don't know that you're not the father because I ordered you to go and get DNA testing. So we could have found that out today. But you know what? We don't have to do it. You know why? Because I can deem you the father today because I ordered you to do it and you didn't do it.
Judge Vonda isn't missing a thing, and the timeline says it all. The baby is 5 months old. Stephen quit his $63,000 a year job 4 months ago. That's no coincidence. That's a red flag. In cases like this, the court pays close attention when someone suddenly stops working or takes a mysterious pay cut right in the middle of a custody or child support case. Why? Because quitting your job doesn't mean you...
That's what we're going to do. That's exactly what we're going to do. So, who carries health insurance? Well, never mind. That was a bad question.
Yeah, it's me.
You carry health insurance.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
much is it?
$750.
$750. Does that include you and the child?
Yes, it does.
Okay. So what I'm going to do is split that in half, because child support, his obligation, he's only responsible to pay health insurance for the child only. Okay. So based on $63,000 a year, I have your monthly gross at $5,250. That brings your net to $4,226.99. How many other children you have? No other children?
No other children.
Well, I hope not. I hope you're not ghosting on them either, because that's exactly what you did to her. So I have your monthly child support obligation at $845 plus $375, which is half of that $750 for health insurance for the child. Your monthly obligation is $1,220.
And just like that, Judge Vonda lowers the boom. Since Stephen chose to ignore the DNA test, the court has no choice but to declare him the legal father. That's not up for debate. That's the law in action. Skipping a court order doesn't buy you time, it buys you consequences. This isn't about guessing or assuming, it's a legal ruling based on his failure to act.
And I'm ordering you to do that. And you don't have any control over that, because that goes through a state agency and it'll just
I'll
withhold
just
from
go
you.
ahead and just submit my W-2s whenever I get them. I'll come back.
Oh, okay, that's fine. But today, this is what we're doing. Since you came in here,
$1,220 a month. That's what Stephen now owes in child support. And no, the judge didn't base it on his current job waiting tables. She used his previous $63,000 salary instead. Why? Because Judge Vonda believes he didn't just change jobs, he deliberately took a pay cut to avoid paying more. And in family court, that doesn't fly. When the
about anything, you don't care about that $1,220 either then, right?
Okay, I guess so. But we'll get up there. I'm not tripping.
Okay, well, we can do that at a later date. Do you have any other questions?
No, I don't got no question.
Okay, do you have any other questions? Okay, if
So here's how it all ended. Stephen thought he could stall the system, skip the DNA test, show up with no paperwork, and maybe skate by. Instead, he walked out owing $1,220 a month in child support. Why? Because the court doesn't wait around for excuses. When you ignore a direct order, the law doesn't pause, it moves on without you. Judge Vonda wasn't guessing, and she wasn't playing. She based that payment on Stephen's old income, not the waited job he picked up after conveniently quitting his $63,000 position. This wasn't just about dollars. It was about accountability. The judge made it clear, when you try to duck your duties, the consequences will find you. Fast.
it's me, Judge Vonda B. I just wanted to go over what you all witnessed in the Sultan case. So, mom had dad served. Dad was served with the paperwork, ordered to take a DNA test and appear in court. And he just decides that he doesn't want to do it. Well, the court can consider that a default. He did show up. He was ordered to do something. He was deemed the father in order to pay child support, and it's that simple.